Welcome to this video on how to get set up in Florida's online educator certification system for the first time. That process involves creating an account in Versa, the online licensing service site, and connecting that account with any Florida educator certificate you already hold. This second step is called onboarding. This video is for anyone who is applying for a Florida Educator Certificate for the first time and for those who applied before November 20th of 2017. The first few steps are the same, whether this is your first application or you have applied previously. To get started, access the DOE Educator Certification website. From the Apply page, click Apply Here to go to the online licensing service site. Remember, if you already have a Versa account, don't sign up for another one. If you've forgotten your login info, retrieve it using the Forgot Password and Forgot User ID fields. Please don't create another account. If you have difficulties, email flcertify@fldoe.org with a screenshot and your full name, DOE file number, and date of birth, plus the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Assuming you do not already have a Versa account, it's time to create one. This will begin your onboarding process. Onboarding is the ticket you need to begin your journey as a certified educator in Florida. Click on Begin Here for Sign Up. This takes you to the user registration page. Enter your name and your email address, then create a user ID. Certification staff strongly recommend that applicants use their email address as their user ID, so there's no chance they'll forget it. You can just check this box to have that entered automatically. One reason we recommend using a personal email address is that if you use a work email and then switch to a new employer, you won't have access to that email account when you need it for future certification actions. Choose your secret question and enter your answer for security purposes. Then select Yes here to opt in to email communication. The Bureau of Educator Certification issues all correspondence, including statements of eligibility and certificates, via email. Remember to store your login information in a safe place. When you're done here, click Next. You'll then be able to review your registration information and make any needed edits before saving. Once you save, a temporary password will be sent to the email address you provided. When you receive that email, copy the case-sensitive temporary password, then follow the link to return to the Versa login page. Paste that temporary password here, then enter your user ID, which is probably your email address. When you're done, click Sign In. Enter your temporary password again, and then use these fields to create your own new password. Don't forget to save. At this point, the system will attempt to link this new online account with any of your existing Florida certification records. So, even if you previously applied for certification before November 20th of 2017, we should be able to pull in that information here. The last name field is pre-populated. Don't change it. If your name has changed since you last applied, you'll need to update it using a separate application. Enter your Social Security number and date of birth. After you click Next, the system will search for your existing certification records, if any. You'll then see one of 2 screens. If we were unable to match the registration information you entered to a file in our system, you'll see Initial Onboarding No Matching License Found. This means you've never applied for a Florida Educator Certificate before. It also means you've now been onboarded in the online licensing service site. Click Next to continue to the Quick Start menu to begin your new application for a Florida Educator Certificate. You'll see here also that no license information is available. That's fine, because this person has never applied before. The applicant can use these drop-downs to start the initial educator certification application. On the other hand, if your information was found, you'll see this screen. where you can review the retrieved information and confirm that it should be associated with your record. If the screen displays another educator's name, please stop the process and email flcertify@fldoe.org. Include a screenshot and your full name, DOE file number, and date of birth, plus the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Assuming you have confirmed your information, you'll arrive at the Quick Start menu with your basic license information displayed here. However, if you were never actually issued a license but only held an official statement of status of eligibility, a license number will not be displayed. Click on Show Details to see more. If you already have a Florida teaching certificate, or if you have previously applied for one, you should see that information reflected here. If you do not see it, something has gone wrong with your onboarding process. You may have accidentally created a second online account, or there may be another reason why the system is unable to link to your certification record. In any case, if the proper certification record is not linked, you will not have the correct options on your Quick Start menu. If for any reason you don't see the license information you expect to see, email flcertify@fldoe.org. Include a screenshot and your full name, DOE file number, and date of birth, plus the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Whether or not you have an existing license, you'll soon be ready to submit an application from your Quick Start menu, which will be tailored to your specific information. Depending on your status, you'll be able to apply for an initial certificate, upgrade your certificate, add subjects or endorsements, or take other actions. Here's one more reminder that applicants should never create a second or third or fourth account. Remember our login screen? If there's even the smallest chance that you've created an account in the past, try to retrieve your login credentials here rather than create a new account. What if you used a work email address to create your original account, but now you work in another district and can no longer access that email account to retrieve your login info? Still, don't create a new account. Your best course of action is to email flcertify@fldoe.org and let us help. To learn about the next steps for specific applications, view our other videos available on the DOE Educator Certification website. Still have questions? Visit our website for more information. And welcome to Florida's online educator certification system.